All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Warehouse PMA or the Warehouse Salon's YouTube channel. I'm here with Denean Fuentes. Denean.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
Hello, everybody.
So today I want to discuss some before and afters Denean took on her Instagram. She had a lot of clients that came in the past couple of months that either had black hair dye or they were red, and she transformed them into an amazing and beautiful blonde. So the first picture I want to really discuss is the one that we used blank canvas for, right?
Yes, on Emily.
Right, so
yep.
here's the before picture. As you can see, it was really red. What was your consultation like? What was your whole like process of like how you're going to get her from this to this?
Okay, so we started over time. She was naturally about a level 8 all on her own, and then we made her red. And I told her we waited a couple months for that to kind of wash out a little bit more before we really went in to get blonde. And then her first session in, we actually did blank canvas. And then after that, we threw in a couple foils and we got this look. And then from there, we went a couple
But her
months.
goal was to be blonde, right?
Yes,
to get all
she
the red
wanted
out.
to go back to being blonde.
Isn't that your favorite when someone
love
goes
it.
red?
I
and
love
then
it.
you want to go dark and then you
I
want to be
actually
blonde?
asked her not to come back if she wanted to be blonde.
All right, so you got from red to this, and now you're like a level 8-ish, like warmer blonde, right?
We did that, yep, and then we got to the warmer blonde, which was definitely an awkward phase for her. So then we ended up with that look. She was swimming a lot, it was summer, so that also didn't help with all of the warmth. And then, I would say about 9 weeks, 8-9 weeks, she came back and we got this look,
Wow.
the final
This is really pretty.
result. And this was all over 4 sessions.
How long of time? Just so, a lot of times clients think they see your before and they see your after picture, and they think that because you posted them like the same day that it happened in one day.
Yeah, no,
This was
didn't
what, 9
happen
months?
in one day. We made her red in October and we got her this blonde. It's been almost a year,
Oh wow,
I think.
it's a pretty,
Maybe 8 months.
yeah. But her hair felt good?
Yep, feels good. It's growing. She wants to grow it out. It's longer in her after picture than it is in her before, so you can even see that it stayed in good shape and it was healthy. And she looks great.
All right, if you have any questions about this before and after, or anything else Denean has done on her Instagram, which you could find here, you can DM her and she will get back to you, right? You can do DMs,
Yep.
you don't mind that?
Nope.
Do you want to put your cell phone number out there for everyone?
Maybe next one.
All right. All right, guys, like I said, any questions, leave in the comment box here. I will get the message to her, or you can follow her at...
Hair by Denean.
All right, see you guys next time.